College at Jamuna Future Park, you need a route planner to plan your route. In this route planner, you have to enter the source and destination, and then click on Plan Your Route. Jamuna Future Park is a shopping mall in Dhaka, Bangladesh. It was inaugurated on September 6, 2013. Construction began in 2002 by Jamuna Builders Limited, a subsidiary of the Jamuna Group, and the exterior was completed in 2008. It has a total floor area of 4,100,000 square feet, 380,000 square meters. Standing in the entrance of the 9-story building with sunlight cutting down through the glass ceiling. Future Park's designer A.J.M. Alamgir can roll off a list of staggering figures as testimony to its scale. This is definitely the biggest shopping mall in Bangladesh, and probably in South East Asia.A. large number of shops inside, where you can buy almost each and everything. There are a large number of restaurants, also including children's theme park, gymnasium, swimming pools and a number of movie theaters. There is an amusement park outside the mall. It is a place to spend a quality time. But one major drawback is that it is hard to find the direction.